Where's that? Where's that?
Talk to the dirt.
Yeah, grab that, yo. Grab that.
I think I'd better hang on to this.
Oh, she sounds like a thought.
Now it's my turn.
You grab the part?
Oh, I got teeth too.
Alright. And then we gotta find the parts. The place to build it at. Yeah, the place to build it at. Alright, yeah. Go there, wait. Alright, where's that? We gotta put the elevator on. Where the elevator at?
Come on, try me, you gut gobblers.
Yo, it's a part right here too.
Not today.
Damn, they did.
Much appreciated.
I know what you really are.
He said he did the glitch.
Guess I owe you one. Don't look like much, but it may be useful.
Yo, it's a part right. It's a part right here. That's why we need 4 niggas.
This component is clearly part of something else, but what exactly?
But it's still a part right here. You can't pick both of them up though.
One time I picked both of them up.
Sometimes 2 hands just ain't enough.
How many parts is there?
Thank you.
4 parts. Yo, take us to the kitchen, yo. Let's go to the kitchen so we can build this shit.
Go back and grab that part.
Alright, come on, yo.
How about like?
Yo, other guy.
Late for supper. Kitchen's closed. Oh.
Dang!
Oh, thank goodness you saved me. I had it all in hand.
Sure you did.
Yo, I can't grab this part.
Oh, I think I shot myself out getting too fast here. I'd call this a coincidence, but this happens way too often.
Let's pack a punch. What, pack a punch?
Oh! I should have worn a coat.
Damn. Guess that's it. Well, I got you another one tomorrow. Bye.